Bro, I'm dead ass hungry right now.
Yeah, pizza. What you want?
Let me get a boneless pizza with a 2 liter of Coke.
Fuck kind of pizza? And 2 liter machine both. We got 1 liter though.
Fuck you mean, B? Alright, look, let me get that pizza boneless.
Pizza don't got bone on it.
The fuck did I just say then?
You said, let me get it boneless. Like pizza got a damn bone in it.
Y'all got bones in your shit then?
Nah.
So what's the problem?
Name one pizza that got bone on it.
Just don't put those shits in my pizza, bro. How many times I gotta say it?
Bruh, just explain to me how the fuck pizza can be boneless.
If it don't got bone in it, it's boneless.
Son, what school you go to?
Dog, I don't understand the problem. Just make my shit boneless. Dead ass.
I'm dead ass now making this pizza.
Chicken sandwich.
You guys want to play Uno real quick and I can record it and make that my upload tonight?
I don't have Uno, so go fuck off.
Everyone has Uno, dipshit. It came free with your fucking Xbox.
I didn't get it. I have the oldest Xbox known to man.
No, you don't. I got mine on day one, you fucking tard.
Well, mine didn't have it.
You have Uno, you
I don't have it, you fucking
No!
I don't fucking have Uno!
Touch me, and I'll shove your horn into your brain.
How about you run home before you get hurt, little filly?
9, 10, or 11.
You don't know a goddamn thing.
Disappear.